Derivatives, Part 2, under 10 minutes, logic and visual stimulants. Let's pass CFA. We have two derivatives market types: exchange traded, standardized, guaranteed by a clearing house, high transparency, high regulation, with daily settlement. Over the counter, customize, dealers market, most are members of International Swaps and Derivatives Association, low regulation and low transparency. The blue is the most important part. Derivatives advantages. Derivatives allow trading the risk without trading the underlying itself, allowing better risk management, quicker information discovery, as derivatives change value before the asset's spot market. They have low transaction costs relative to the underlying value, and increase market efficiency through arbitrage. One of the main conditions of arbitrage is to have low transaction costs. Criticism. Critics consider hedging as speculation and gambling. They argue that derivatives can cause destabilization. Derivatives change their value quicker than the underlying, as we said earlier, and they can use leverage. Let's have an example. For a leverage of 70, if real estate price decreased by 30%, the real effect is, remember that a leverage of 70 means we multiply wins or losses by 70. So we have a decrease by 30%. The effect is minus 30% times 70 equals minus 2100%. The underlying of the derivative can be equities, like options, interest rates and fixed income instruments, like LIBOR, currency, like the euro, commodities, like gold, credit, like default swap. The right to buy. You own a right to buy an option in Mercedes Daimler for $33. The spot share price is currently $40. The call option is currently in the money because exercise price X, $33, is below the current spot price S, $40. If the spot price S drops down below $33 to $30, the call option is said to be out of the money. Why? We can purchase the share at $33, but the real price is $30. So why would we purchase it and pay more, $3 more? We would not execute the deal, and the call option is said to be out of the money. How much do we lose? Zero, because we will not purchase it for $33. Now, at exactly $33, the call option is at the money. A call and a put option. A call option, if S is bigger than X, is in the money. If smaller than X, is out of the money. The opposite in the put option. If S is smaller than X, is in the money. If S is bigger than X, is out of the money. A quick way to memorize this, to save your time, you can memorize whenever we can make money is in the money. We say it is in the money. If we cannot make money, it is out of the money. So here, since S is bigger than X, which means we can purchase it at, a share at $4. The real price is $5. Yes, I will purchase it at $4 and sell it for $5, so I can make profit. This is in the money. Now in the put option, which is the right to sell, if S is smaller than X, so S is $3 and X is $4. I can do the exercise for the put, which is sell for $4, and I will win because it's only worth $3 and I'm selling it for $4. So whenever we can win, we say it is in the money. Whenever we will not win, we say it's out of the money. When it is exact, or S is equal to X, it's at the money. Thank you, and you deserve the best. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel.